Alam mo, may mundo.
Lakasan mo.
Natangay,
Tumingin.
Langit, akan pa, mansuka, di ako sawa, hagi. Alam mo, yes, ganyan mo ba?
Sige na, kahit kailan.
Kailan?
Kuya na nga lang bibidyohan ko. Sige na, hawak ka man.
Ay, kita, sawan, di mo ko naibigin na iisa.
Ano pa? Ayaw mo nang kumanta?
Ayaw na,
Bakit?
may lang,
Ha?
may lang.
Smile lang. Sige, smile. Pangit naman yan.
Nanyan.
Above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Kala ko mag-pray ka.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
O, mag-pray ka muna.
Ano ba? Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy
Lakasan.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
O, mag-pray ka na kay Jesus.
Ayan, tumingin ka dito kay Jesus, oh. Ano po nila, kay Jesus. Ayan, oh.
Ano pa?
Mame, hey, mame, papatingin ka sa ilan doon kay
Ano bang
Jesus.
pray mo?
Ha?
Oh.
Ayun kay Jesus, papatingin ka.
Sige na, pray na din.
Sana po hindi na ata ni Jesus.
Ano pa yung pray mo? Si Daddy, bantayan.
Ay, hindi ba si Jesus ba yan?
Dalawa si Jesus. Kasi sa simbahan nandun si Jesus, sa mentary niya nandun si Jesus.
Hindi Jesus ba yan?
Tanggalin natin itong isa. Kayo si Jesus. Yan. Yan, mag-pray ka kay Jesus.
Sana po hindi na ata.
Tumingin ka kay Jesus. Ay, taas, taas. Yung tumingin.
Huwag ka na ang pangit.
Hindi pangit. Buta to. Huwag ba? Tumingin ka lang kay Jesus.
Wow! Wow!
Yan, tumingin ka.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high.
Ready?
Bayang magiling, pero sinangalang alaw na puso. Sa di mo'y buhay, lupang hina. Tuwing ka nang magising, samang maluping. Di ka masisiin, sa henlak ko doon sa simula. Sa langit ko'y buga, kay dilang patapat. Awit sa ama, minamahal. Sa papasawi, tagumpay na naglilili. Amik wida, awan ng kailang kamay maglilili. Panang araw na pa, ating pagsila, buhay namin sa piling mo. Maninigaya na pa, may mga api, mamatay lang dahil sa'yo. Kaanata makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas. Sa aking lupang silangangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Ako at tinutulungan upang maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, niling ko ng aking magulang. Sundin ko ang tukunin sa paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tukunin sa miyang makabayan. Magiling ko, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong matapat. Iaaral ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas. Tama na!
Tapos na?
I-picture mo na!
Just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you.
Si Hayden lang kuya magbabasa.
Guys, apay na ang bundok ng pato, ang bubong ng puto ng bubong, gong ano, short. Yung bubong.
Sige na, basa na. Answer.
Magkano ikaw?
Wag na kuya, kay siya mag-a-answer siya.
Answer, bad. So, bad.
Ayusin mo naman.
Wala namang answer, bad days.
Letter.
Letter.
Sunod.
Ito, guys. Ano dito basa? Ha?
Jesus.
Jesus. Jesus. Jesus. Wala.
Siya lang magbasa kuya. Nag-study siya. Sige na, mag-study na si Hayden. Sige na, hindi na nga natin ito pa-schoolin si Hayden kasi ang tagal-tagal magbasa.
I just can't compare you with anything in this world. I need to be with
Sinong crush mo?
Michael Jackson.
Bakit mo siya crush?
Ano ba ito yun?
Bati mo yon? Pangit naman yun eh. Pangit yun si Michael Jackson. Uy, Andre, malaglag ka. Ayan. Smile muna, be. Mag-hi ka muna dito din.
My love for you will be
Happy birthday. Lakasan!
Happy birthday to you.
Tumingin ka dito para kay daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Sa may ilaw
to
ka na.
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
a dream that I want to. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You were all I need to be here with forevermore. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. Ang buhay minsa'y nakapagtataka kahit ating sikapin na ito ay maiba. Sa
Reski! Happiest 18th birthday. May God bless you and your family more, and know we the stars are always here for you, and we miss you so much. We're just back here in Lason if you ever need us. And I really hope that 18 will treat you well, and I hope that there'll be more good days ahead of you. Enjoy your day, and we love you and we really miss you. See you soon, Hayden.
Hi, Letterman family! We are from the Philippines! Happy 18th birthday, Hayden! Pag binuutan ka nunay, and love your family always. God bless!
Happy 18th birthday!
Ate Hayden.
Wish you all the happiness in life. More cakes to blow. More gifts and have fun today.
Stay guapa, Ate Hayden. I love you.
Hi Den, happy birthday, stay handsome.
Hi Den, happy 18th birthday, and wish na ko nimo is good health and more blessings to come. More to, bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Hayden, happy birthday. I wish you all the best, happiness, and love that you deserve. Forever thankful for your existence. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Hayden, happy 18th birthday then. Sending you all my loves on your special day. Stay pretty all the time, stay humble. Adios ako kuya. Ang dami sa mga kuya. Basta ayaw sa akin. Ayaw sa ninyo. Naman sa eskwela. Okay? Okay. Kahit nabi kag masakitan kay ang mata murag napakan o putsukan. Bitaw din, enjoy your day. Be happy. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Hayden. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Hayden. You're no longer a little girl, but you'll always have the same sparkle that makes you unique. Enjoy your day. We love you. Mwah.
Happy 18th birthday, Dan. I miss you. Amping diha ka nunay. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ate Hayden. Happy birthday. I remember that time when you said that you wanted to have a foreign last name. Well, now you can, because you're already in a legal age and you live in another country. But I hope you'll not, because you're very pretty and very wise. So choose wisely, stay pretty and vibrant.
Happy 18th birthday, Hayden. Wishing you all the best and see you sa last.
Hi Dan, happy birthday. Kanya akong gift sa'yo mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Hayden. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. And may God give you wisdom sa pagpili mo sa mga decision mo sa buhay.
Always choose to be happy and stay pretty and smart.
Enjoy lang sa buhay and sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo.
God bless and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Hayden.
Happy birthday, Ate Hayden. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Hayden. We love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Tita Hayden. God bless. See you. Happy birthday, Tita Hayden.
Happy birthday.
Hello Hayden. Happy birthday. 18 ka na. Hindi na pwede yung paggawa-gawa lang ng slime. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Ingatan mo ang puso at isipan mo. Huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang kami ng mga kuya at ate mo sa Pilipinas kung kailangan mong tulong. Mag-message ka lang anytime. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday, baby girl.
Yan. Kailangan tiis para maganda lightning. Hi Hayden, good morning. Kakagising ko lang obviously. Araw shit. Happy 18th birthday, baby girl. Yun lang. I wish you all the best Kung sakaling magbo-boyfriend ka, dapat may ate siya. Tapos yung ate niya, dat maraming pera. Yun, approve na sa akin yun. Hindi, yun lang. I wish you all the best, be, and galingan mo sa life. What I mean is just enjoy. Enjoy what you have. Yun lang. Love ka ni Kuya, love ka namin. Bye. Take care.
Hi Hayden, happy birthday. God bless and good health. Kaya pagwadlong sa imong mami, kay di lalim kung walay mami, sama na mo. Nawa minahan, way nag-love na mo. Hindi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maria. Maria, magwapa na ang takag samot day. Ug mabuutan. Ug mabutan pod. Adyaw diha pag siaw, human sa imo eskwela, pagtuon og trabaho nga pangbahay. Aron ikapanghinambog po kasi imong parents diha. Labi na rin aron basin di kaluyan kas Ginoo. Adyaw na nang usag dahil naman ng uyab-uyab kay sige na makakag panguyab pero pili alam po ng tao nga murag ikasuroy sa kulon matupas nga karaan nga dili ka isuroy sa kulon nga gisod sa sako kanang presentable ka dong taas ka agtang ba mo suroy kay human nag-eskwela gwapa ka adyo unsa sakto mo trabaho ana maura na pagbuutan diha ha. Happy birthday. Love you din. Maria.